engineered to professional precision, bringing down the barrier between industrial and consumer-grade printers. Photon P1, plug-and-play perfection. Engineering-grade resin system handles viscosities up to 8,000 CPS, boosting printing capacity for resins by 40 times. The temperature-controlled resin vat maintains the resin at the optimal state, ensuring ideal viscosity and success rates. Dual color and material simultaneous printing. Simultaneous printing with multi-viscosity resins saves resin and reduces overall print time. Single-side resin vat printing cuts down initial resin usage for smaller models. Adapts to your needs. Near industrial craftsmanship. Industrial-grade ball screw and precision linear rails. Exceptional motion stability. Precision machined steel build plate for reliable performance. Rigorous installation techniques achieve micron-level accuracy. Light Turbo 4 light system. Every light beam is stable, precise, and uniform. The wave release technology ensures smooth build plate lifting and stable printing. 6 major upgrades. Flawless print quality consistency. Over 1,000 print cycles. 0.03 millimeters. Minimal feature. Print with intelligence. The system runs intelligent calibrations before each print. Auto leveling self-check maintains. Precise leveling at all times. Intelligent dynamic adjustment function finds the optimal balance between speed and precision. Intelligent AI detection. 7 user-friendly innovations deliver a more intuitive operation. And a streamlined maintenance process, ultimately simplifying the creative process. Maker Online, with hundreds of thousands of free models, enables easier creations with intelligent support customizations. ANYCUBIC Photon P1 redefines consumer-grade 3D printers with near-industrial craftsmanship, becoming your ultimate tool for a professional home workshop.